in the girl tab. The girl tab on the update, we close off this. I'll check that later. Let's go. It's kind of laggy. They add new cosmetics. That's still there. They took away the other stuff. Oh yeah, we're taking everything, bro. Free badge. There's always gonna be the free badge. They have a new airplane. Oh, that's cool. I like it too. 4,100. Alright, let's see. So we have the airplane.
If you're okay, you teach me how to play.
I'm good, bro. Alright, let's actually fly. Oh, cool. Let's go, bro.
You want my arm so long?
What are you yapping about? Oh, get it done, man. I ain't trying to. Alright, next item is. Bro, we actually have a new balloon. Finally.
Wait.
Last balloon was a pretzel. Yo, what the? I wanted to like climb or something. Oh, that's cool, new. Anyway, so I'm just checking everything out. Oh, nice. Okay, nice.
What?
Oh,
See what I'm holding right
it's
now?
on my nose.
I see nothing.
But you're holding nothing. Alright, so anyway, next is the on the wall.
Who's the most skibbidiest?
Oh my god, it's
Who
on
is the skibbidiest? On the wall. That's skibbidiest.
or
I
nothing.
don't have this. Skibbity on the wall.
Oh, it's a
The
hammer.
Sigma.
It's
It's just the object like 3 tracking. It's just not this like 3 tracking.
oh, it's too much.
This is my tracking.
Yo, I'm a drone.
I'm a grown monkey. Sigma on the wall. Who's the skibbidiest? On the wall. No moderators.
Oh, it's no. Oh, it's Firefly? Yo, what is the?
Team Gnome or Team Nine?
Hey, can you see what I'm wearing?
Nothing that different. Oh, it's a little short. Oh, the secret tunnel is short. It's a little short.
Oh my god.
Bunch of trees. Ice. Oh, it's drying out. Cool transition, wasn't that? I don't know how I made it's a shark, by the way, so it's trying to gobble you up. Anyway. Oh, that's it's floating now, and the view is good. Oh, he has a little scuba diving thing. That's cool. Okay. Well, that's cool. You have to swim to actually do it. Oh, I'm a self swimmer. I've been swimming for, bro, I've been swimming for too long. Oh, see that shark. Yeah, I think I'm done with the swim. I'm gonna go check out the I'm still holding on to it. Anyway. I can't find anything. Literally. I was trying to look for a shark because they were looking like... Because I was scrolling on YouTube and I just finally... I found a video of someone watching another video of someone with a shark. I'll cut to when I find the actual shark. Okay, I found the shark. You can grab onto him. You can grab onto him, bro. That's not fair. That's not fair. Come here. Got it. No, I'm done with that. Alright, now that we're up here, we can pick this on. Can we leave? Gotta play. Oh, that's crazy. Yo, everybody's what? Whoa. Why is the texture like that, bro? I'm a ghost now. I look so weird. Bro, everybody looks like me. I look like everybody else. Why do we look like this?
Okay, here it is.
Shut up, here. I'm just kidding. I'm not pussy. What? Oh, the trampoline! Summer camp. Who, Doug? 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 You look like a nut!
Yeah, guys. Well, I think I'm 13-year-old got roasted by a 9-year-old.
It's like the
13-year-old can get roasted by a 9-year-old.
I'm kind of trash. I ain't playing this man.
This game is? Yeah, who wants to roast battle? Go on a roast battle.
Okay.
Clear, okay?
Yeah?
Everybody's.
You wanna have a roast battle? Clear? You wanna have a roast battle? See ya. Guys, raise your hand if you have any content. Raise your hand if you have any content.
Well, I guess that's it because there's nothing to do. No, that's it. I can't find anybody. Oh yeah. I told you I'm sure. Alright, so that's the end. Love you. Give me a kiss.